Okay, so here's our hard drive. It's quite good condition. It's just a couple of years old or so, but it really has been giving us problems, and so I can't take any more of this damn computer, so I'm gonna fix it. Well, not fix it. I'm going to get rid of it for once and for all. Okay, let's see what we're going to do now. Okay, so there's the insides. And now I'm going to clean the memory system. Just hold on. And that's how to clear the memory in your hard drive once and for good. Just stand back a bit just in case it explodes. That was my hard drive. Okay. Oops. And that's how to clear the memory in your hard drive once and for good.